I'm going to ask you. You ran a prosecutor's office. I ran a prosecutor's office. But I mean, you're federal. I mean, you are renowned for what you did in the Southern District of New York, the premier district.
I hired that clown.
I know you hired that, and I wish I had more time to talk about that. But you know, you and I both understand that there are certain things that are done and certain things that are not done. And when you decide that you're going to break into someone's home or you're going to invade the attorney-client privilege, there have to be extreme circumstances. This investigation went from Russia collusion to obstruction.
Gone.
The president, Article 2, makes it clear, the president, okay, now who's chasing, porn stars and stuff? I mean, why are we even going in this direction? And why are we not ending this? Because there is no evidence that's been unearthed, unless I'm missing something regarding any of that stuff.
You're not missing anything. We're not missing anything. We turned over the documents, after all, and I'm in the process of getting through about a third of them so far. There's no evidence of any of the things you're talking about. The only evidence there is, the only crimes committed here have been committed by the government, which is why the Judge Ellis, is so outraged. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if he didn't dismiss this case the way the case of Senator Stevens was dismissed, unfortunately, after the man died.
Right. And that is part of the frustration we have here. But if, as the judge appears to be saying, like, give me the reason for the basis for your jurisdiction, how it is that you go into a grand jury and get an indictment. If there is no power that is connected to the 2016 election or the firing of James Comey, then how can they possibly have the authority to indict Manafort? Why wouldn't Ellis dismiss this indictment?
Well, I don't know since they won't share it with us either, or with the White House counsel's office, I don't know what their authority was. But the judge has every right to see it. After all, this was not statutory authority. A U.S. attorney like I was has the statutory authority to recommend an indictment.
Right.
So you've got to get it from Rosenstein. Well, they have a right to see it. And the judge also has a right to determine they went beyond that, even if Rosenstein attempted to give it to them. He also has a right to determine that by government misconduct, they have fatally tainted this case. And I believe in my heart that the Supreme Court will decide that. So I think Judge Ellis probably is tough enough and strong enough to decide that himself.
All right, Rudy Giuliani, thank you so much for being with us tonight.
And you got Victoria Tenzing. She'll take you through the presidential immunity better than I can.
She certainly knows her stuff. Mr. Mayor, thank you. And